Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check out templates on CapCut. So what to do? First of all, the first step is to open the CapCut app on this Android device, and from here in the second option is templates. So from here you will see the for you and the following and much more you will see. So you will from here just select any templates to use it. So once it's this template is in the slow-mo section, so if you want to use it, so you will just put the video from the gallery. So it was another template, so if I want to use it, I will just select the picture from my gallery and just click to the export button. You will see the effect will happen. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.